should pull up that craft before I talk about it, though. Makes most sense if I do that. Hello everybody, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be celebrating another day of Vlogmas 2018 where I am bringing to you another craft. So I found this super cute DIY a little bit ago and I thought it would be the perfect time to make it, especially because not only am I going to use it, but I can give the others as gifts. We are going to be making cinnamon vanilla candles. It's very simple. You only need like 5 things. I don't want to call it ingredients because I don't think ingredients is the right word that I'm looking for. You need 5 different items to make these candles and it's just easy peasy lemon squeezy. I found this DIY from yesmissy.com. I'm going to link it down below and we are just going to get started on making these candles. So this is a really fun DIY. All you really need are vanilla taper candles, some rubber bands, cinnamon sticks, twine, and if you have it, some ribbon as well. So it's very easy. All you do is put the rubber band around the taper candle and then you're going to be sticking cinnamon sticks all around the rubber band. If you find some are loose, be sure to stick an extra cinnamon stick in there just to make sure everything's really nice and tight. When you've completely surrounded the candle with cinnamon sticks, you just wrap the cinnamon sticks with twine to cover up the rubber band to make it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. And if you have it, then you can just wrap the twine in a nice ribbon to add some color. And that's literally it. So this was a really easy, I think I did this in maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 because I struggled a little bit with the first one. But the important thing is finding good candles, because I was going to order the candles online from Amazon, and for 4 vanilla taper candles, it was going to cost me like $36, when I actually found these Madagascar vanilla candles right in Primark for $2.50 each. So what would that have been? That would $7.50 for 3. So if I got them on Amazon, it would have been $9 per candle, and yet I was able to find them in a store for $2.50 per candle. So definitely just look around. I promise you, you can find candles. It did take me a little bit of time, but you can find them. I promise. I just cracked my wrist. So I've been burning one for a little bit now. It's really, really nice. You can really smell the vanilla. I haven't quite gotten to the cinnamon yet, but I'm guessing by the end of the day, there will be a little hint of cinnamon in the air as well. What I really like about these is not only do they smell nice, but they look really nice too. So I'm actually going to be gifting away my other 2 candles since I don't really burn these kinds of candles that often. So it'll be really nice, perfect little Christmas gifts. Yay! And that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. Feel free to like this video as well as comment down below and you tell me, what are your favorite kind of candle crafts? Have you ever made candles from scratch? I was supposed to do that last year and I never did. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!